Hello and welcome. Okay, let's straight get to the point. So you want to print something and it says you have to print it in 1, 2, 3 pages, even or on an A3 or whatever, a big page. And you want to fit everything in one page. Okay, first of all, let's open Excel. Okay, so for example, I want to print this out. Okay, so you can directly press Control and P. It will directly send you to the print page. Or press on File, Print. As you can see, not everything is here, and it's page 1 of 2, and this is page 2 of 2. Yeah. Even if you select Landscape, you see it's still 2 pages. Yeah. So what's the solution to get everything in one page? Okay, go back. You have to go to View, Page Break Preview, click on it. And as you can see, this is page 1 and this is page 2. So what you have to do is take this blue stripe here and swipe it to the right. So for example, till here. And as you can see, this is now totally page 1. And you can swipe also downstairs. So I want it like this, for example. Go back to normal. Go to print. And as you can see, everything is in one page. And this is very fantastic for projects, large things you have to print out in one page, large documents and stuff like that. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for new information. Have a great day. Bye bye.